exit in case of a fire or anything like that. So, yeah, I wrote this song. It's called AGOD, about the residents of AGOD. Thanks for taking a photograph. Alright, let's see. Video mode. I think that will be this one. Okay, so just to go back, I was saying I wrote this song. It's called AGOD. It's about the residents of AGOD. I hope to include everybody's name. And looking at y'all, I did. So, without further ado, it goes something like this.
Oh, he's already in the mood.
Should I get a speaker?
Bring his mode up.
It's good, it's good.
Yo, what's up? All my people now.
Yeah.
We be rocking it. Yeah.
I love you.
I got dirty dishes in the sink. Yes, I'm from AGOD. I'm from AGOD. And I don't care what Robert thinks, cause I'm from AGOD. I'm from AGOD. With gangster squirrels in the mix. Yes, I'm from AGOD. I'm from AGOD. Yeah, bakers into crazy links. Then I'm from AGOD. I'm from AGOD. Hate waking up for the 9 o'clock lecture. Talk of needs when it meant it's needs are trying to vex ya. How the heck she become a professor? Alarm sounds again, and that's when it gets ya. You dreaming motherfucker, and in fact you're late. Jaleesia's in the shower, that'll slow your fate. What the heck, don't Maury relate? Don't you realize that it would be great if she stopped sending us to grad school for runs? The shit always leaves me feeling so dumb. I'm so numb, I might need a counselor. Maybe somebody from the house, maybe Angela. I need someone that'll talk to me. Speaks my language like Dorothy. Understands a little about policy, but I think that the best would be Natalie. I got to sing. Yes, I'm from AGOD, I'm from AGOD. And I don't care what Robert thinks, cause I'm from AGOD, I'm from AGOD. With gangster squirrels in the mix. Yes, I'm from AGOD, I'm from AGOD. If I'm bakers into crazy links, then I'm from AGOD, I'm from AGOD. What will I say for this presentation? My dry run sucked and I've got no statements. Too much regrets, too much procrastination. People with Sikanda got me contemplating. Maybe I should just drop out of school. Do a rap career flop like Ja Rule. Bet that will be cool. Or drive like Fernando and kill some fools. I told that girl that I would call her. She said she just had to holler. Ice cream I could get it for just $1, but then she says that it's in Vermont. I should call Kathy, see if she wants to drive us there and give some funds so that UCT can have some fun. I got dirty dishes in the sink. Yes, I'm from AGOD, from AGOD. And I don't care what Robert thinks, cause I'm from AGOD, from AGOD. With gangster squirrels in the mix. Yes, I'm from AGOD, from AGOD. If I'm bakers into crazy links, then I'm from AGOD, I'm from AGOD. There's a knock on my door and it is Prinesh, warning me not to leave the mess. Serious station monitor, this means I guess that this dude be bored and he needs a rest. I tell them that I need to do my writing. It's not worth it, man, let's quit the fighting. I leave an extra dish just so I spite him. You must not like him. Ayanda says, what's with this accusation? You should just quit all this aggravating. You're gonna make him fight with all these statements. We need peace in AGOD. That's what I'm saying. Scream from nowhere, it's Linda Chu. Some got photographs and Pikachu. Rise up, wait, what's wrong with you? Before Aylin says, this ain't grad school, I got gangster squirrels in the mix. Yes, I'm from AGOD, I'm from AGOD. My dirty dishes in the sink. Yes, I'm from AGOD, I'm from AGOD. Who cares what Robert thinks? Cause we're from AGOD, we're from AGOD. If the bakers into crazy links, then we're from AGOD, from AGOD. That's how we do.